10 dog breeds for families. 10 bitchin' fries, cheerful, hypoallergenic, for apartment living. 9 Visla, energetic, affectionate, for active families. Charlie's, affectionate, adaptable, small-sized. 7 Collie, gentle, devoted, excellent with children. 6 Boxer, energetic, loyal, protective of family. 5 Bulldog, calm, affectionate, enjoys indoors. 4 Poodle, smart, hypoallergenic, many sizes. 3 Beagle, playful, adaptable, good-natured. 2 Golden Retriever, gentle, intelligent, eager to please. 1 Labrador Retriever, friendly, obedient, great with kids.